Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We are on a strip and wax today at Yesco. All right, we're doing about 4,000 square feet. We got the auto scrubber with us today, buffer to go ahead and finish the shine. And as you can see, we got all our equipment out. We're ready to go. We got the pads ready. We're going to go ahead and stay tuned and stick with us, and we'll show you what we're going to be doing today. All right, so here's the showroom that we're going to be doing. As you can see, we're setting up here to get this cleaned. Tire showroom here. It's about 3,000 square feet. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this up here. Get this looking nice. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we dust mop the floor first. You see it's all dusty and dirty there. Now we are vacuuming, okay? These are very important steps. All right, we're getting all the debris up. That way there's nothing inside our wax. Getting every corner. All right, we're gonna vacuum the whole showroom. Get the whole showroom done. And we're already starting to mix our stripper up. So we're going to start putting that together here. All right, so we just laid the stripper solution down, and we have to do the rest of the floor. We're going to work our way backwards, reason being because when you lay this down, it gets very, very slippery. It's like it's like ice on top of ice. It's that slippery. So we're working our way from the corner, working our way out backwards, getting the whole floor. You can see, he's mopping the whole section, making sure he's getting near the wall in the corners as well. And we're getting this whole thing just nice and wet. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna get up along them cords too. That last tile. Yeah, he's slipping. Yeah. All right, that's good. All right, I'm gonna get the machine so I can get you set up. All right, we're now to the next process here. We got Big Blue hooked up, ready to suck up the slurry. We're gonna use this buffer to break up the wax here. Move this here, get this out of the way. There we go. Yeah. This is all the wax we sucked up. You can see the floor looks way better than what it did before. But this is all the wax and all the dirt coming up from out of there. So I drain this whole thing here. 10 gallons of wax. to give you an idea, this is what the floor looked like before, and now it's clear over here. There's a color difference. Look at the color difference there. So we're gonna clean that up with the auto scrubber and then put the finish down. Just to give you an idea, this is what 3,300 square feet looks like. So we're doing all this, and we have another 2,000 square feet left to do of bathrooms. All right, so we got the floor all stripped here. I already started laying down the wax. It's up here. You can see it's coming down on there. But look at this area in here. Wow, what a change. All right, that looks great. We got all the stuff up around the floor. We couldn't get next to the table because there's a lot of electronics and stuff down there, and the computer, so we don't want to damage that. So we got just the floor base area. All right, and like I said, we're laying down the wax. Wax is down over here, and then wax is down here, and then this is the first coat, and we're gonna put the second coat down. Let's stay tuned. All right, so we did the showroom. It's not wet. This is the break room. We did the bathrooms as well. Okay, then the light didn't want to stay on. Men's bathroom. So that's all done and drying. And we are going to head to another area to do. Stay tuned. All right, we're all finished, and compared to what this looked like earlier, these floors came out great. We found out there's a sealer on the floor, so we'll address that later. But why you don't want to put any more footsteps on it? That's been done. There's another room over here. Oh, I just put my badge in the other one. I can't open up this door now. I'm gonna show you through the glass here. You see that room? It's been done. All right. And there's another room on the other side of that. That's been done. And then on the other side of the warehouse, which is way on the other end, through those little double doors, which I'm not walking through there now. They came out great, just like the rest of these floors. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I walked on the other side of the warehouse, and I wanted to show you our beautiful work here. And so they're not wet, all dry. And this right here. All right, stay tuned for the next cleaning.